What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best creeper seats. Creeper seats, or rolling stools, mechanics stools, are rolling work stools ideal for working on vehicles or scooting around inside your home, retiling your bathroom floor. There are a lot of products available to choose to creeper seats, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best creeper seats products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ProLift Grey 36E Creeper Seat. This creeper seat offered by ProLift is an effective option for someone who needs a classic creeper that easily and quickly converts into a Z-shaped mechanic seat. Its users love that it does a great job in both positions, but some do note that the construction is not of the highest quality. This product is a 2-in-1 creeper, which is great because it can be used as a mechanic seat when folded in a Z shape, or a mechanic's creeper when unfolded. It has a heavy steel frame, 450 pounds capacity, with padded seat and headers for extended comfort. Another good feature is its 6 swivel casters that provide full mobility and easiness of movement under the tight area. This mechanic's rolling seat seems like a solid choice if you are looking for an efficient foldable mechanic's creeper and creeper seat. The general user consensus concerning the ProLift Z creeper seat is that it moves easily. Number 2. Torin TR6300 Creeper Seat. This creeper seat offered by Torin is a good option for someone who needs a mechanic's creeper seat with a large tool tray. Its users like that it moves with ease and enables them to take a comfortable position while working, but some do complain about the difficulties with assembling and poor quality. This product is a compact mechanic's creeper seat, which is great because it provides easy storage after use. It has 360-degree smooth running casters which provide great mobility. It is constructed with heavy-duty tubular steel. Another good feature is that it has a large tool tray. It comes in 2 colors, red and mossy oak. This mechanic's rolling seat might be a solid choice if you are looking for a mechanic's creeper seat, which won't take too much space in your garage. In general, users have a very high opinion of the Torin creeper seat, and they don't have any complaints regarding its performance. Number 3. Traxion 2-700 Rolling Gear Seat. If you are looking for an adjustable creeper seat, you might want to consider this hoist creeper seat offered by Traxion. Users like its huge casters which allow you to roll over rough terrain, but many complain about the poor quality of the construction. This product has a raised seat which gives extra comfort even when sitting for long periods of time. It features a built-in carry handle which allows you to carry it with one hand. If you are looking for an adjustable creeper seat with a gear seat, this might be a solid option. Some users have a favorable opinion of this Pro Gear seat, and they praise its mobility. One user states that he received a defective hydraulic cylinder, but that the customer service was great and responded promptly with replacing it. Another buyer is pleased with the backrest that this seat provides. However, a lot of buyers complains about the poor execution of the product. They state that the frame is made of weak material and that the padding is thin. Number 4. Performance Tool 40 Folding Creeper. This is a more convenient creeper and useful for sliding beneath a car to get some work done. With the ability to fold it in half, Performance Tool has made storage of this creeper a breeze without compromising its capabilities. The frame is made of durable steel, and Performance Tool insists that the creeper is weather resistant, making it perfect for those who don't have a covered garage. There's a 350 pounds weight capacity, and the creeper itself weighs just 15.2 ounces. There are 4 small casters, which might be one of the downsides as they might not work well on all surfaces. It's worth mentioning that this is a fairly affordable creeper and is 40 inches long by 18 inches wide, making it pretty versatile. However, many buyers noted the poor quality. Positive side of this product: affordable, portable, big. Negative side of this product: small wheels, not the most durable. Number 5. Omega Black Z Creeper Seat. This is another transformer. The creeper that can turn instantly into a comfy swivel seat. Omega is a brand that's well known for its tools, and this item has a ton of great reviews. It's 40 inches long with a width of about 18 inches, meaning it's plenty big and usable. The padding means it should also be fairly comfortable as well. It has 6 casters and uses a metal frame, which leads it to weigh over 20 pounds. Then again, this can turn quickly into a Z shape, which you can sit on top of and use as a mechanic seat. It has a whopping 450 pound weight capacity, which is plentiful. Positive side of this product: big, turns from a creeper into a chair, 6 casters. Negative side of this product: heavy, no tray, expensive. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so to subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.